ওয়েলকাম বন্ধুরা, my name is সৌরভ কর্মকার. Today we make a programming code for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So at first we take variable. For this particular programming we take integer variable int a comma b comma sum. If you want to know what is integer variable, what is header file and the main function work here, you please visit the card section. So now let's code. Printf enter the first value we take input from keyboard, that's why we use scanf function call. Scanf mod %d ampersand a. Now enter the second value scanf mod %d ampersand b. Now we make an expression where we store our addition value. Sum equal to a plus b. Here the sum variable store the value of a plus b. Now if we print our output value in our output console, we need to print out the sum expression. The addition of two value is equal to mod %d sum. You already know, if we want to print the output, we need mod %d outside the colon the variable name, not ampersand variable name. Ampersand variable name only used for taking input from keyboard. Now close the program using getch function call. Now save the program as any name you want. My machine already have this name, that's why it's showing an error. Now let's the program. Control F9. Let's put the first value. Let's put the second value. Press enter. It shows the sum of two values equal to 9. So this program is correct. Now if we want to make subtraction, division and multiplication, The program code is same, but the expression of the sum variable can change by minus, into, and division sign. So let's make, we take subtraction variable name, multiplication variable name, division division variable name, and we make the expression of subtraction a minus b multiplication equal to a into b division equal to a divided by b. For output the printed taking value, we need to output the expression. Mod version D, comma, let's copy this line because we need another two line for our code. Let's synchronize them. Subtraction, multiplication, multiplication, division, division. Now save by using F2 key and run this program once again. Oh, it shows the compiler error because previous outputted value showing. That's why we need to introduce clear scr function call. Save F2, run Ctrl F9. Now enter two value 8, 2, press enter. Sorry, we need to change. We put and next line between our code. Now if we run by pressing F2 and Ctrl F9, oh, sorry, compiler error. Now if we save and run our program and inputted the value, it shows the specific result for our code. So thank you. Please like this video.